Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share how to get free samples on TikTok Shop. Let's dive right in. Some stores provide free product samples on TikTok Shop. So, if you want to get free samples on TikTok Shop, you will need to find stores that offer free product samples. Once you find a store, open the product to check for free samples. On the product details page, you will see the free sample option. Tap on it. Next, tap on the Request Free Sample button. After pressing Request Free Sample, complete the required information to receive your sample, including size, contact details, and shipping information. Once you fill out all the information, click the Submit button. You can track the status of your free sample requests on the Request Details page, where you can see the status of each request, when it was shipped, and the status of any promotional content creation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.